وما خلقت الجن والإنس إلا ليعبدون.
And I did not create the jinn and mankind except to worship me. Allah Almighty created human beings and jinn solely for His worship. The ultimate goal of human life is to attain the pleasure of Allah and seek nearness to Him. Among people there are some chosen souls who rise above mere obligation. Their hearts became filled with a burning passion to meet their Creator. This divine obsession propels them beyond the bonds of material existence. Renouncing worldly desire is not an easy feat. It is the path of those with unwavering resolve and courage. The land of Jalandhar is truly blessed. Great Islamic personalities such as Hazrat Sayyid Ataullah Shah Bukhari and Sufi Saint Hazrat Muhammad Ali emerged from Jalandhar. Babaji Hakim Ali was born in 1942 in the village of Mandir located in Tehsil Kapurthala of Jalandhar, situated about 10 kilometers from Kapurthala Road Junction and 8 kilometers west of Jalandhar city near Khajewala railway station. It falls under Jalandhar to west Tehsil and shares border with Kapurthala district. His respected father Chaudhry Sahak Khan migrated with his family in 1947 and settled in Faisalabad. He completed his matriculation in 1959. He then joined the forestry department where he served with dedication and later became a block officer in 1984. Eventually he transitions to a role in WAPDA, Water and Power Development Authority. During this phase of his life, his love for Prophet intensified. His spiritual longing led him to seek a guide, a spiritual mentor who could help channel his hearing into divine realization. Babaji Hakim Ali's spiritual journey finds its roots in the profound faith of his father Chaudhry Sahak Khan, a devout lover of Allah, and his messenger. Babaji recalls a powerful moment from his childhood. One early morning during Tahajjud pre-dawn prayers, he heard his father reciting a heartful naat, a poem in the praise of Holy Prophet. That moment lit a fire of love for the Prophet in young Hakim's heart. Deeply inspired by his father's devotion, Babaji began seeing dreams of Prophet even as a child. Babaji Hakim Ali was in search of a spiritual mentor, and so by the will of Allah, he was united with a spiritual teacher in the form of Hazrat Barkat Ali. Babaji left his government job and permanently settled with his spiritual mentor in Darul Ihsan. Sufi Barkat Ali Ludhianvi was a renowned 20th century Sufi Saint, Islamic scholar and spiritual reformer from Pakistan, known for his deep piety, simplicity and profound impact on spiritual seekers across the world. Hazrat Muhammad Barkat Ali Ludhianvi, a distinguished spiritual successor in the Qadri Sabri Chishti order, was a spiritual lighthouse in Pakistan. Revered by both common people and rulers alike, he authored over 300 books illuminating hearts with the knowledge of Allah and the inner sciences of the soul. Babaji Hakim Ali dedicated 40 years of his life in selfless service to Hazrat Barkat Ali Ludhianvi. He actively participated in the construction of a grand mosque, a Quran academy, a memorial to the companions of Badr, and a hospital. These were not mere structures but symbols of spiritual life and community revival. Within this blessed environment, Babaji engaged in deep spiritual practices, mujahida, studied the sciences of gnosis, marifa and self-awareness, irfanul nafs, and refined his soul under the guidance of his master. Today Babaji Hakim Ali stands as a living reminder of the saints of old. Thousands of seekers benefit from his wisdom, comforted by the clarity and depth of his spiritual responses. His insights soothe restless hearts much like rain revives parched earth. His key teachings are: the purpose of human life is worship of Allah Almighty. Maintaining closeness to Allah is true success. One who does not reach his Creator is spiritually lifeless. One who remains heedless of the Lord is truly lost. Knowledge is a sacred duty. The highest form of knowledge are those related to the essence and attributes of Allah and the awareness of the self-irfan nafs. He passed away in 2025. His tomb is in a village, Khalsapur, Farala, in Tehsil Janawala, Faisalabad.
ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਾਹੀ ਗਾਲੀਆਂ ਡਾਲੀਆਂ।
These poems are expressions of his spiritual teachings. I can still see with the eyes of my heart those hallowed trees of beloved territory where we spent in happiness dark nights in each other's company. The reference here is to the worlds of spirits which existed before the creation of this tangible universe by Allah, and which Hazrat terms as the dark nights where nothing had a being except Allah. He is nearer than the nearest and farther than the farthest. We have explored all the four corners of the universe and discovered without a shadow of doubt that He alone and not else whatsoever has any real existence. For me, de-anthropomorphism has become at with me anthropomorphism, leading to the merger in my view of the ultimate truth, Allah, into one entity. All this spiritual elevation is due to the grace of Hazrat Ghaus-e Azam, Hazrat Shaykh Abdul Qadir Jilani, our patron and benefactor.